Isa. Blow the candle na. Doon ka na.
Candle, no?
Oh, punta ka doon, punta ka doon.
Blow natin, blow.
Blow the candle.
Wow. Yay! Oh, blow. Blow.
Happy birthday to you.
Sa, malakas pa. Sa pa. Yay!
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 Happy birthday. Gifts. You want gifts? You want the gift? Oh, sige, this first. This is from Ate Egan.
Open. Open.
Sige, sit down ka dyan. Help mo siya, Ate Egan. Open, open.
Ah, dito ka sa baba.
Ayun na, open mo to. Bili, open mo to. Open it. Wow.
Open it.
Wow. What's that? Wow.
Open mo pa.
Wow. Alright. Oh, see?
Yay. Oh, there's another gift. There's another gift. Ikaw naman, nak.
Number 2, gift number 2.
Yung isa.
Ikaw lang.
Oh, that's from Ate Nana. Oh, ikaw naman. Open it. Pa-open mo sa kanya, nak. Oh.
Hindi, open mo na.
Tear mo yan. Tear it. Open it. Naaaliw na siya. This one. Ayan o. What's that? What's that?
Yung last gift na.
Oh, this one, the big gift.
Big gift. Yung big gift.
Ito, big gift. Wow. So big.
That's from Mommy and Daddy.
Help mo daw siya.
Sige na. Daddy, help mo daw siya.
Hatak mo to. Hatak mo. Hatak mo.
Open it.
Open.
What will you say?
Open.
Tatanggalin mo to. Saksak mo. Tatanggalin mo to.
Wow!
Alright.
Yay! Happy? Are you happy, Adam? Papa, happy birthday!
I'm curious.
Happy birthday!
Nice. Kapali sa ano.
Ay, oo nga. Sige lang. Matututo din yan. Are you happy? Yung inopen ko na sa kabila.
Hindi pa mabuksan.
Ano ka ba? Mabubuksan na yun?
Ano ba yan? Bubuksan na nga eh. Wow, what's this? This one. Napapasaw yun, napasa.
Wow! Andito yung mga planets. Gets mo, bili. Get mo sila, get.
Wow!
Oh, yun yung mga planets, anak.
Look. Oh, this is Mercury.
Open mo si Mercury.
Open Mercury. Wow, Mercury. Ew, it looks like a ball. Ew. Mercury. This is Venus. No, this is Mars. Mars. Venus.
Open ka nito. Oh, open mo to.
What is that? It's Uranus.
Open.
This is our planet Earth. This one.
Open na to, Venus.
No, that's not Venus. That's Neptune. Wow, Neptune.
Hindi naman siya... si Earth ba yun?
Mommy, open na.
This is Saturn.
Yes,
Wow,
that's Jupiter.
Saturn. Look at Saturn.
Saan si
He's so
Jupiter?
pretty.
Jupiter's the red spot.
Sorry. This is Saturn. Wow.
Wow!
Oh,
Wow. Oh, this is Earth. Mercury, Venus, Earth.
Si Earth, eto. Ayan o, ayan o. Oh.
Saturn. Saturn is a big one. Big twin.
Oh, where's the red spot? Where's Jupiter's red spot? Where's Jupiter's red spot?
Yay!
This one, red spot, Jupiter.
Happy? Adam, are you happy? Bibi, are you happy?
Papa. Venus.
Oh, what will you say?
Twinkle.
Oh,
Pellet.
Ganyan yung sabi niya dito.
Huh?
Pellet of pellet.
Who's this? Who's this?
this one.
Wow, you wanna open that car?
Gusto mo yung tape na to?
Sige, okay lang.
And Mars. Jupiter. Saturn. Yes, and Neptune.
Ay, hindi ganyan knock-knock masasira. Akin na.
Dito yan. Ayan. Yung pinapanood mo yan, di ba?
Makay.
Opo.
Makay
Yan yung pinapanood mo. Nasa ka, di ba?
Twist lang.
Okay, that is the
Adam, oh. Look at this.
Jumper
Wow!
ba?
Hindi niya na alam kung ano yung unahin niya.
Ay, masama. Sindit lang din.
Ayan, nilulusot lang.
Planets. What planet is this?
Hindi kaso ano yung
Planet is
baba eh.
this?
Galing.
Adam, this is Jupiter, red spots.
Hindi madugtog din yan na yung 30. Ay, aga pa lang.
What's that? What's this?
car.
Mercury,
Venus.
Uranus. Ano Earth? No, it's Neptune.
Neptune.
Yeah.
This one's Mars.
Yeah.
This one's Venus.
Yes.
This one's Jupiter. Jupiter's a big, big. So big.
This one, who's this?
Oh, it's always around the home.
Oh, po, that's our home. How about this one?
It's a Makay spot.
Galing namin eh. What's this?
Makay.
This one.
At the our side.
It's our sun.
Mommy.
Yes.
Ito, papaikot-ikot si Earth. Sabi mo siya dun.
Tapos kukunin na sila ng van. Oh, sasakay ko na si Earth.
Lagyan ko nga lang mo.
Lagyan na lang natin ng ano.
Ang gomang mo.
May gomang
Who
maliit
is the
eh.
smallest planet in... Wait. Who is the smallest planet
Wait lang.
in the solar system?
Wait lang, baby.
It's Saturn.
No, Saturn is the second
Ah.
biggest planet.
What
Who
will
is
you
the
say?
smallest planet?
Thank you po. Sabihin mo daw, baby.
Think about
How old are you na daw?
two.
Are you happy?
Two.
Are you happy, baby?
Two.